Hello Word Study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study. This week we're going to be focusing on letter feature O, test number 32. Please listen carefully as I say the words. You may stop this recording at any time. You will have 10 words from your sort and then 2 additional curveball words. Here we go. Number 1, brother. I have a brother named Brian. Your word study word number 1 is brother. Word study word 2, doctor. You should go see the doctor for that terrible cough you have. Number 2, doctor. Number 3, father. Did you take your father to the Someone Special dance? Number 3 is father. Number 4, answer. Please answer all of the questions on your test before handing it in. Number 4, answer. Number 5, cover. Please cover your work as you do your test. Number 5, cover. Word study word number 6, dollar. I need to stop at the dollar store after school today. Number 6 is dollar. Number 7, neighbor. I am good friends with my neighbor. Number 7, neighbor. Number 8, grocer. We are going to go to our local grocer to pick up some fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 8, grocer. Number 9, error. Please check your test to be sure there is not an error on it. Number 9, error. Number 10, harbor. During the hurricane, the boats came into the harbor. Number 10 is harbor. Let's go through words 1 through 10 before we do our curveball words 11 and 12. Number 1, brother. Number 2, doctor. Number 3, father. Number 4, answer. Number 5, cover. Number 6, dollar. Number 7, neighbor. Number 8, grocer. Number 9, error. And number 10, harbor. Number 11, your first curveball word is actor. When he gets older, he would like to become an actor. Number 11 is actor. And number 12, teacher. Who is your word study teacher? Number 12 is teacher. That is the end of our word study test for this week. Great job, and I will see you soon.